morning, my dear students. So I am really happy to see you. Today you are going to learn a shortwave diathermy. So it is we are going to learn a lot of information from the shortwave diathermy. So one by one we are going to discuss that one. So first we will go for a shortwave diathermy. So what is the ultimate of shortwave diathermy is we are going to see it now. You are seeing that the person is lying on the wooden table. They should not use any kind of metal tables. Only the wooden table only they have to sit and they are putting a towel on patients. After that some kind of a coil like a circuit have been placed on the back of the patient. This has been given to the instrument. That instrument it will generate the short waves. So with the help of that one, so the short wave when it's penetrate through the human body, it will produce heat. So that is it will produce heat. By that way this will be, that is it will provide the proper heating. Okay. So that's why they are telling us diathermy is a therapeutic treatment commonly prescribed for the muscle and joint associated pains. So this is mainly for pain relief therapy, we can say that one. Next we are going to see the what is therapy. Okay. We are going to see that what is the another one is the therapy, what is the real meaning of it, we are going to see that one. And another we are going to see the principle of a diathermy. Okay, now we are seeing here is a dia means what? Dia, it is called as a through. So the term diathermy means, the dia means through heating. Diathermy means through heating. Okay, that means which produces deep heating directly in the tissue of the body. So that's why they are calling as a dia means through. So another meaning also we know that dia means double, two, but here you have to consider that is a through. Thermy means heat or temperature. That's why what they are calling as thermy means heat or temperature. So when you are joining dia plus thermy, it is gives the name as a diathermy. Okay, here the diathermy it is what it means, it is used to simulate the circulation which is provides relief pain and enhance the rate of recovery of healing to the tissue. This is the main purpose of they are using the diathermy. So after that we are going to discuss short wave diathermy. So first we will discuss the principle of diathermy. So what is the principle means? So first one, it is a injury that the dipole molecules of body tissues are arranged on the basis of polarity. Okay. So they are keeping our body as a polarity. So one is a positive polarity, another one is a negative polarity, like that way they are placing it. So when the tissue is damaged, the dipoles distribution becomes irregular and deviates from the polarity based on arrangement. So third one, the one means, so under the influence of the electric field, they rotate according to the polarity of their charge in direction of the field lines and get rearranged and tends to acute its previous stage of polarity. So that is they are considering as a polarity. By that way they are giving treatment. Now we will see one by one. Now we are going to discuss about challenges of diathermy. What all the challenges are there? Now we are going to see it here. Okay. So what is the challenges here? Here first challenges is as a subcutaneous subcutaneous layer, you can see it in the diagram, which is a fatty one, that is called the fatty substance, we are calling as a subcutaneous layer in our muscles. This is a direct delivery of heat to the deep layer of tissue is not possible. Suppose directly we can't provide it. Second one, the diathermy, which involves uneven and uncontrolled delivery of heat. Therefore, sometimes instead of target tissue, surrounding tissue also gets affected subcutaneous layer. So this is one. So subcutaneous layer will be affected. So next one, we know that it is a challenges means it is having uneven and uncontrolled delivery of heat. Next we are going to see the functioning of a diathermy. Here the diathermy uses an electrical current to produce the heat deep inside a targeted tissue. It can reach area as deep as 2 inches from the skin surface. So here the diathermy machines does not apply heat directly to the body. Instead, the current from the machine allows the body to generate the heat from within the targeted tissue. So that is it is a notable one. So as the heat increases, it promotes the blood flow, and also it can help to improve the flexibility in the stiff joint and also in the connective tissues. So this is the main function of a diathermy unit. So there is a two kind of diathermies, you can know it. One is this is therapeutic treatment diathermy, another one is surgical diathermy. Now we are talking about a therapeutical diathermy. So we are not gone into the surgical diathermy. So now we are going to see the benefits. So what are the benefits of this diathermy we have? So first one, it will enhance the heat delivery, provides the pain relief and also better flexibility. Second one, it is reduce inflammation, that is swelling, it can be reduced, and it improve the blood circulation, and it accelerate the healing. This is the benefits of diathermy. Now we are going to see the types of diathermy. So what are the types of diathermy? We'll see it. So here there is two types of one is how many types means we can say that is there is 5 types of diathermy. One is short wave diathermy, that only we are going to learn. So what is the short wave diathermy? Second one is long wave diathermy. Third one is microwave diathermy. Fourth one is ultrasound diathermy. Fifth one is laser diathermy. So there is 5 types of diathermies available. Now we are going to see the first type, the short wave diathermy. So what is the short wave diathermy? So we are going to learn it. First we will discuss what is short wave diathermy. So this is you are seeing that short wave diathermy treatment have been taken by the patient who had a pain on his muscles. So here we can say that what is the definition of these diathermy means short wave diathermy. The short wave diathermy is a modality that produces a deep heating via conversion of electromagnetic energy to thermal energy. So it is converting electromagnetic energy into thermal energy. So these thermal energy have been created by tissue. It is not created by the machine. So the pattern of heat produced depend upon the frequency used here and the type of the short wave diathermy unit. What kind of, there is a different types of diathermy is there. one is a coil type diathermy is there, another one is a capacitive diathermy is there, another one is a inductive diathermy is there. So what type of short wave diathermy we are using, that is. So another it can easily use in a water content of tissues. So that is a main important of. So here the short wave diathermic current frequency is 100 to 10 to 100 megahertz. That is 10 to 100 megahertz. So here the short test radio frequency wave is used in the therapeutic diathermy. So that's why they named as a short wave diathermy. Okay. So here the commonly used in a medical work having a frequency of 27.12 megahertz with a wavelength of 11 meters. So next we are going to see the modalities. So what is the modalities of this short wave diathermy? So here either the continuous or pulsed short wave diathermy have been used. Okay. So here that abbreviation is PSWD, means that is a pulsed short wave diathermy. Okay. So the application of it have a series of short pulses of short wave diathermy, that is called SWD. So here so that the short period of SWD interpreted by the gap where there is no that is a short wave diathermy. So here one point we have to known it. So receives the lower dose of short wave diathermy energy if compared with the continuous short wave diathermy. So applied of same time. Here both are having same time period. Here these tissue will receive the lower thermal heat. Next the SWD, that is short wave diathermy, produces both deep and super depth tissue heating under certain controlled condition. That is applied for 20 minutes at the maximum tolerable dose. So here the maximum tolerable dose is 20 minutes at the maximum tolerable dose. Now we are going to next will discuss about the types of short wave diathermy. So what are that? There will be two types of there will be 5 types of short wave diathermy. So one is inductive induction field, second one is a capacitive field. So here from this they are making a electrode is in 5 types, but the principal application of diathermy is in a 2 principal method they are using. One is a inductive field method diathermy, another one is a capacitive field diathermy. Okay. So inductive field diathermy is the coil is wounded around the patient's body. From that they are giving the energy, short wave energy. Another capacitive field is the 2 plates or that is the treatment muscles they are fixing between the 2 plates. In the 2 plates they are giving the short wave current. So this short wave current, it will penetrate through the human body. By that way they are giving a treatment. So this is the 2 types, but the electrodes are 5 types. First we will discuss about what is the field diathermy. Okay. So you are seeing here, what you are seeing? You are seeing that one coil has been wounded around the patient body, and what is happening here? The heat it will be generated on tissue, deeper tissue. That means due to the conversion of electromagnetic wave into thermal energy. So that is the principle of diathermy. So here what is happening? First that is fat and all not having any heat. So inside the middle of the muscles the heat has been generated. You are seeing in the diagram, that is it is given here, and so by that way they are giving treatment. So here first they are places the patient in the electromagnetic field, you are seeing in the diagram. Second they will put the current flowing within a coil, produces a rotating magnetic field. So it produces a rotating magnetic field throughout the body. Third one, the magnetic field produces eddy current in the tissues. So by that way the heat is generated. So eddy current causes friction that produces heat, and it is selectively heat the muscles. So particular muscles must be relieved, means particularly they are wounding that portion, coil have been wounded on the portion. So this is the one. So another, this is also another name is called a magnetic field diathermy. This is this kind of a short wave inductive field diathermy. Another name is called as a magnetic field diathermy. Now we will go for second type. Second type is called a capacitive field diathermy here. And what is here? So you are going to see. So here you are below the diagram is showing the how the heat is passed in the muscles. So the two sides of muscles it will provide the heat due to the capacity plate. You are seeing here the capacity placed what is outer side of the muscles. So both the side. Okay, here that is heat will be generated. It will penetrate from a middle fatty surface up to bone. So both the side will be penetrated. So that is the main advantage of a capacitive field diathermy. So here it is uses the patient tissues as a part of the circuit, and tissues electrical resistance produces heat. And here the selectivity that is selectively heat the skin. A muscle is heated via conduction from the dipole. So another also it is referred as a condenser field diathermy. The other name is called condenser field diathermy. Now next we are going to see the different types of electrodes. Here there is 5 types of electrode is available. First we will see one by one. This is called flexible pads electrodes. So these are two pad is available. One pad is placed on one surface of the muscle, another pad is placed above the surface of the muscles. So here it is consists of metal electrodes encases in a rubber and produces an electrostatic field. So with the help of electrostatic field they are providing the heat. Next one, it is called as a space plates. The second figure B shows space plates. It consists of rigid metal electrodes encased in a perplex cover which produce the electrostatic field. So this is a second type of electrodes. Now we are going to see the third types of electrode. Name is called coil type. That is a coil type, or another name is called cable electrode. It is consist of a wire with a plug at either end creates electromagnetic field. So this is comes under the inductive field diathermy. Next we are going to see the another type. The third type name is that is the fourth type is name is called dipole or drum type electrode. So here, So figure D shows a dipole or a drum type electrode. It consists of flat coil electrode. It encases in a perpex cover with two wings which produce the electromagnetic field. When it penetrates to the human body, the electromagnetic field have been converted as a electric field. So now you are going to see the fifth one. The fifth one name is called monode. The name is called monode. So here the monode, it is a flat type and a rigid coil encased in the plastic cover which produce a electromagnetic field. So these are 5 types of electrodes we have seen it. Okay. So next we will go for a factor influences the field distribution in short wave diathermy. We are going to see it one by one. So first we will discuss that one. So first we are going to see the spacing. What is the spacing which influence the field distribution in SWD? So here it allows lines of forces in the electrostatic field to diverges before the entering the tissues. Next, it will penetrate concentration of heat in the superficial tissues and ensure the more heating through the pods and spacing provided. Okay. So here the spacing provided, first it is wrapping flexible pad in the in the towel they have to put it. Another one, the flat felt spacing pad between the electrodes and the skin must be maintained. Third, the air when using space plates, that is in a normal space they have to use okay, and it will produce even field distribution, and which when you are increasing the spacing, the deep field concentration increases. So when you are decreasing the space, it is produces superficial concentration. Okay. So this is comes under spacing. Okay. That means when you are increasing the spacing, it produces a deep field concentration. When we are decreasing the space, it will produce a superficial concentration. So this is the advantage of spacing. Next we are going to discuss the electrode size. So here the electrode size is very important. Another parameter, this also which influence the field distribution in SWD. That means if the electrodes are too small, then diameter of treated pot line of force will be concentrated superficially. So if the electrodes are marked very large in the line of force, it will be loses in the air. So here, and if it is ideally electrode we are using, means it should be slightly larger than the area treated. Okay. So this is also, it will provide a superficial concentrated one, superficial concentrated one, which is provides when the electrodes are smaller diameter than the treated pot. Okay. So next we'll discuss so what is the importance of a concentrated heat. So here the concentrated heat on the aspect of the pot of the electrode should be unequal in size. So smaller one placed over the area where the concentration of the heat is required. That means we can produce a concentration of heat by using the equal size of electrodes, but with the unequal spacing. That means 25 mm over the concentrated area and more than 30 mm over the electrodes. So this is the another one related with the electrode size. Next we are going to see the therapeutic variation in the field distribution. So here one by one you are going to learn it, this one. So what all the information means, you are going to learn a contraplanar application and okay. So first we will discuss what is the, so this one, first one, it is what means, it is that means we are calling as a coplanar application, that is that it is having the structure, one of the aspects of the body, if the spacing is less than 25 mm, more concentration in the treated superficial tissues. If the spacing increases, more achieved, the distance between the adjacent end must be greater than the sum of the skin electrode distance, that is given as a plus b, otherwise the line of the force will pass directly between the electrodes rather than the tissues. This is the issues regarding the placing the electrodes. So here you are seeing the diagram. In this one it is telling about a contraplanar application. Here it is having two flexible pads, two space places or flexible pad with a space plate are used here. It is essential to put a cotton towel between the two limbs to any absorption perspiration, that is given here. Next you are going to see the crossfire application. So what is the crossfire application in a field distribution? For the treatment of stenosis, that is space plates positioned after the off diagnostically of time of the position are altered. These ensure that all the synthesis membranes are heated, which cares must be taken to avoid direct placement over the eye. What we can, so uterine disorders also we have to take care of it. Another we can consider the disease menorrhagia, that is a biological term. So next we will see that application of using a coil electrode. So application of using a coil electrode, one is a coil wound evenly firmly. Second, the pancake application must be there. So application of, another application of using dipole, adjust the wings of dipole parallel to the skin of the treated area. Electromagnetic field will be produced due to this one. Next we will see the biological effects. So what are the biological effects of diathermy? We will see that. So here first one, it will increase the blood supply. Second, general rises of temperature. Another, it's fall in the blood pressure level. Another one, increased activity of sweat glands. So this is the physiological effects of the short wave diathermy. Next we will discuss about therapeutical uses. So what are the therapeutical uses we are going to discuss now. And so this is one. So here, and what we can say means here, that is the principal effect of SWD on the body is production of heat in the tissue due to the rise of temperature. That is the principle of SWD, which have increases the metabolism activities, and which heating tissues accelerate the chemical changes such as metabolism. So oxygen and food stuffs are used up, and with increased metabolism there will be an increased output of a waste product. So this is one another physiological effects. So now what we can say means, so here in increase blood supply, when we consider here, as a result of increased output waste products such as metabolism, which acts on walls of capillaries and arterioles, these tissues which dilate, and in addition it has a direct effect of blood vessels, causing a vasodilation, and heat also produces stimulation of superficial nerve ending, causing the reflection dilation of arteries. So general rises of temperature here, as blood passes through the heated tissue, it also become heated and carries the heat to the body parts, and rise of temperature induce the muscles relaxation and increasing the efficiency of muscles action. So fall in blood pressure, so the generalized vasodilation reduces the peripheral resistance to the blood flow. So heat also reduces the blood viscosity, which helps in the reduction of blood pressure. So increased activity of sweat glands. If a general rises of temperature occurs, there will be an increased activation of sweat glands. So that is the one. Okay. Now we will see that therapeutic uses. So what are the therapeutic uses we are going to see now, and one by one we will see it about therapeutic uses. So here the therapeutic uses, first we are going to discuss on effect on the bacterial infection. So here what they are providing, that is vasodilation is given to the which increase the oxygen supply and then nutrient the material, and it will provide the antibiotics and white blood cell increased. So that is increasing one only they are given in the arrow marks. Okay. So here vasodilations and oxygen and nutritive material, antibiotics and white blood cells are here, which assist in removal of waste product. All these effects bring about the resolution of inflammation. So second one, you are going to, what it means, it will reduces the eating time. So here the effect on the bacterial inflammation is normally response of the body to the bacteria. Eating the tissues augment these changes, so reinforces of body's normal mechanism of dealing with the infective organism. So example we can say boils means some water bubbles on the muscles, boils, and carbuncles, abscesses. These are all some kind of muscles related disorders. So the reducing heating time is which increase blood supply, and more nutritive material, more oxygen supply are given here. So next it is so another, it relief of pain. Okay, what is it? Will relief of pain, and also it having the sedative effect, and which removal of waste product, resolution of inflammations, and it provides a counter irritation. So effect of muscles tissues. So it will provide a muscle relaxation, relief of muscle spasms, and muscular disorders have been reduced. Degenerative joint disorder have been reduced due to the therapeutic uses. So here OA and RA sprain can be removed, and strain also can be removed, and hematoma disorder can be removed due to the therapeutic uses. So muscle and tendon tears can be treated here. Capsule lesion that can be removed. Capsule lesion can be removed with the help of a therapeutic uses. So another one, it can be uses inflammatory condition, and inflammatory condition examples we can tell it as a boils. Second one is a carbunculus. Third one is a sinusitis. Fourth one is pelvic conditions. Fifth one is infected surgical incisions. So these are all can be removed. Now we are going to see the dangerous. So what all the dangerous can occurs during these short wave diathermy. One is it will burns the skin. Second one, it will provide a concentration of electric field. Okay, so the more concentration of electric field, it will burns the skin. And another one, the excess of current also can burn the skin. Another one, impaired blood flow also irritated, and hypersensitive skins also lead. So another one, it will lead touching skins. So these are all dangerous when heavy doses of short wave diathermy is given to the patient. So here what all the due to what another one also we can say here scalds have been come. So due electric shock also sometime will happen. So overdose, it will spoil the skin, and precipitation of gangrene also will be there. Faintness which will provide dangerous condition. Giddiness also comes during the treatment.